In this episode of the PI Planning Cooking Show, we're talking about cadence, the magic of cadence, especially your art's cadence and how crucial it is to your success.
Welcome to the PI Planning Cooking Show with Shane Harrison.
Cadence is that rhythm making the whole organization work, making everything happen when it should, making everything in your art, including your PI planning, more reliable and more predictable. Having a good cadence model makes your life as an RT much easier. In fact, it makes everybody's life much easier, especially your customers. They get much happier. I don't know a customer, have never met a customer that hates predictability and reliability, and cadence gives you that. You could say cadence is the tick of the clock, the bang of the drum that everybody marches to, pulling the whole organization forward. Cadence that we create will create flow. It allows us to deliver value in an increasingly predictable and reliable way. As I mentioned, customers like that, and to be honest, your teams will like that too. Those of you who are familiar with SAFe will be familiar with cadence from principle number 7. Apply cadence and synchronize with cross-domain planning. When I first started building cadence models in 2013, I had a simple objective in mind. Figure out how to get 80% of the work 100% through the system without intervention, without having to reach into exceptions. So by doing that, we would create more time for the RTEs to handle true exceptions. That means we could handle the unpredictable events, the truly unpredictable events, in a better way. Instead of mitigating problems, we were able to solve them. Because we didn't have so much day-to-day work to handle, we could truly commit time to it. Your cadence model will bring predictability to your art in ways you don't expect. Having this predictability allows your teams, stakeholders, and the wider organization to know where they need to be, when they need to be there, and to be honest, often helpful too, why they need to be there in the first place. It also means everybody knows what's going on. They know when is a good time to set up an exceptional meeting, when is a good time for an exceptional event. And it makes it much easier for everybody to coordinate and align. Alignment's a good thing, a very good thing. In the next episode, we will look at how to build your cadence model. We will look at how to take your rituals, your ceremonies, how to coordinate with product management and delivery management to build your cadence model. Your cadence model for your art will be just as reliable as your team's sprint model. So join us for the next episode and build your own cadence model. If you like this video and the videos we've done before, please subscribe and click on the little bell, because the little bell will tell you next time we upload a video. So thanks very much for joining us on the PI Planning Cooking Show. See you next time.
That's the PI Planning Cooking Show with Shane Harrison.